Hey, what's up YouTube? It's the boss Ella and I'm here today with a what's in my makeup bag from Dollar Tree. This is a Dollar Tree makeup bag that really looks expensive. It almost looks leather, but it's not. It's just plastic. And as you can see, it was $1.25. So let's get into what's in my makeup bag. And it holds a lot, trust me. I have it stuffed to capacity. It comes in multiple colors. This is what the makeup bag looks like. It has a place for whatever you want to put up here, maybe your makeup brushes. So you can put 5 makeup brushes up here, and it also has the elastic right here. Awesome, awesome find. I was excited to find this brush for $1.25. It's a powder brush. This is what the brush looks like, and it is very, very, very soft, super soft. This is definitely worth $1.25. Next item that I found is this detangling brush, and if you've seen the unbrush, it is a brush that looks similar to this brush, has the same makeup as this brush or the same type of bristles on the brush, and my unbrush really works really well, and so maybe this will too. Well, it seems to detangle just fine. I know this is a wig, but that was easy for my wig, okay? These are really, really pretty, and they look really, really expensive. These are some really cute brushes. They come in this little bag sealed. We like that. We like that. So you get 5 brushes in here. You can keep your brushes in here. You can wash your brushes and also store your brushes in here. Same color. They had a purple and they had another little pink color. I have a really nice shower cap. You got that nice style, but you don't want to get it wet. This is perfect. Simply Spa facial mitt. This is what the mitt looks like. It is for exfoliating, and it has a little rough side. And you hear that? You know it's gonna exfoliate, so you definitely want to wet this, and then it has a terry cloth side. We got some lip oil, and this lip oil is hydrating and nourishing. It's by Beauty Intuition. It says apply the oil from the center to the outer edges of your lips. Like you don't know to do that. And I know I'm rushing through this here, but I don't know why I want to film when I'm tired and when my camera's about to die, but that's what we're doing. All right, so this is what the lip oil looks like. Everybody's into these oils right now. Okay, it smells like it came from the Dollar Tree. And it has this applicator. And my hands are ashy, but that's what the little oil is looking like. It's not a sticky oil, so if you're just looking for an oil, that's cool. So I found this LED makeup mirror, guys. And this is what it looks like. It's really, really cute. So I had to put 3 batteries in here, and this is the little toolkit I used to open it up. And let's turn it on. That's what it looks like. That's the brightest setting, and then that's the mid, and then 1, 2, 3. Oh, it has 2, sorry. 2 settings. It has a stand. It has a stand. I use my little mini set to take the batteries off, or to open it up to put the batteries in the back. So this is really nice. It's really heavy. It feels like something that's really, really nice. Right, next we got a cuticle oil balm. This is a cuticle oil balm. It is infused with shea butter, jojoba oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E. So this is what it looks like. That's really nice for those dry cuticles. Look at that. And it's scent free, has no scent, so that's really, really nice. I'm really impressed with that. Put a lid on its sprays, and these are by Great Scents. We have Pre-Poo Toilet Spray. Contains essential oils, and we got the flavor Twisted Citrus and Tropical Hibiscus. We opened them together. Don't you like to open things? Okay. So it's really compact. It can go in your purse. Really, really cute. So before you pop a squat, go ahead and take a shot right here. Bam. So this is what they look like. Really, really nice. Really, really cute. All right, so we got the Ione Tinted Lip Oils. And this was in Sweet Honey, and this was in Pink Doll. And that's what it looks like. These are the oils. These are really nice. They last for $1.25. They last pretty long. I have a lip duo. This is the lip contour kit. It's matte lipstick and lip liner. This is the lip liner. It's really pretty. Now let's see if it glides on. It glides right on. It's really, really pretty. This is the lipstick color. This is the applicator. And this is how it goes on. Really pigmented. Really, really pretty. OMG. I cannot wait for that to dry to see if it's amazing. It has a light little soft scent. Okay, so we got the Clean Beauty blushes, which I'm sure y'all have seen. It says Clean Beauty for peace of mind. This 2-in-1. Oh, this is lip color and a cream blush duo. This is in the color Late Night. It's really, really soft. And it goes on like that there. That's pretty. That's really, really pretty. Fun in the Sun. Really pigmented. And that's what that one looks like. Fun in the Sun. So you know when you blend those in, they're going to look fabulous. Fabulous, okay? One of these days I'll come back and do a video on some of the Clean Beauty products. Freeman Foamy Foot Buffer. It's hydrating and nourishing. Self-explanatory. You just put them on them rusty, busted feet, which mine are. And they're going to hydrate those crusty things and get rid of some of that dead skin. So definitely going to try that. And we got a Clean Beauty lipstick. And it's by Be Pure, and it's called Classic Red. This is the packaging. Whoa. That's nice. Creamy little lipstick there. These are self-explanatory. These are the LA Colors Tea Party and Cherry Tart, and they just have these left over. I don't have to show y'all what eyeshadow looks like, because y'all know what eyeshadow looks like. It's the same eyeshadow they come out with every year. They just keep changing the packaging. The last two items that we have are these two Ione Shea Butter lipsticks. I know this is a long video, but hey, I have to show you some things. Hey, I'm going to come back and show you this DIY that I did with the wall decor. I love it. Okay, it is the deep mauve, and it is in a heart shape. And this is it right here. Really, really pretty. Really hydrating. The last shade that we have is the nude. This is what it looks like. It's right here. And it's actually nude. But yeah, like I said, next video, I'm going to show y'all. Ooh! Y'all see this? That is so pretty. And all I did was simply hot glue this on to one of these organizers. The storage little organizers where you put your labels in here. It's just hot glued on to the back of that. Yeah, I love it. I love it. All right, well, I thank y'all for watching, and I will be back with a little short DIY video on some of these home decor. Yeah, be sure and thumbs up this video. I forgot to say that in the video. If you made it this late in the game, put riding, because you're still riding with me. Come on, y'all. We're still riding together. We're going to do this, okay? I thank y'all for watching. Yeah, I know we got a lot of catching up to do because I haven't done a video in a while. And I know I talk a little strange now, but we'll talk about all that later, okay? Okay? Well, I thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in another video. Y'all take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Bye.